My name is Vincent Gutang, Bachelor in Science in Marine Transportation, Engic 10 S3 Air. The importance of OSH or Occupational Safety and Health and PADAM's Personal and Environmental Safety are ensuring the safety maritime operations and protecting the health of crew members. And they equip students like me with the knowledge to manage risk, comply with international safety regulations, and mitigate environmental impact. This course helped me to provide skills and knowledge to manage maritime safety, ensure compliance with international regulation, and address environmental concerns effectively. And I will prepare to handle the challenge of maritime operations, prioritize safety, and contribute to sustainable practice. And this is the key to become a successful career at sea for me. Thank you and God bless, sir.